The Hindan IAF base in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, became the epicenter of groundbreaking technological advancements and aerial displays on September 25 and 26, 2023, during the Bharat Drone Shakti event. This two-day spectacle, hosted by the Indian Air Force, IAF, and the Drone Federation of India, DFI, aimed to showcase the remarkable potential and capabilities of drones developed within India across various sectors, including defense, agriculture, firefighting, infrastructure, urban planning, mining, disaster response, and air mobility. Hi friend. Welcome back to SciTech Buzz 1 channel. We wish to sincerely thank all the new subscribers of this channel. If you haven't as yet subscribed, kindly consider doing so after watching this video, since it would encourage us to do more. Diverse participation in aerial demonstrations. With the participation of 75 startups and more than 50 different types of drones, Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 demonstrated India's commitment to advancing its drone technology industry. The event welcomed several dignitaries, including India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and IAF Chief Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, who witnessed a wide array of drone applications. The event was not limited to domestic participants, as officers from friendly foreign nations attended to witness India's progress in the drone sector. Over the 2 days, the event featured approximately 50 aerial demonstrations that showcased India's prowess in the drone industry, which is still in its nascent stages. With around 5,000 visitors, including representatives from central and state governments, armed forces, paramilitary forces, academic institutions, and private industries, Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 served as a platform for collaboration and innovation, showcasing diverse drone applications. The event's core focus was to highlight the potential of indigenous drone design and development. It featured over 50 live aerial demonstrations, encompassing various drone applications, including 1. Survey drones. Drones equipped with advanced sensors for land surveying, mapping, and environmental monitoring. 2. Agriculture drones. UAVs designed to revolutionize agriculture practices through precision farming, crop monitoring, and pest control. 3. Fire suppression drones. Innovative firefighting solutions utilizing drones to combat wildfires and mitigate risks to human personnel. 4. Tactical surveillance drones. Advanced drones used for surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence gathering, crucial for both defense and security purposes. 5. Heavy lift logistics drones. Drones capable of transporting heavy payloads, enhancing logistics operations in challenging terrains. 6. Loitering munition systems. Autonomous drone systems designed for military applications, capable of loitering and engaging targets. 7. Drone swarms. Coordinated groups of drones working together for various tasks, including surveillance, communication, and search and rescue. 8. Counter-drone solutions. Technologies developed to detect and neutralize unauthorized drones, addressing security concerns. The rise of drones in India. The adoption of drone technology in India has been on a steady upward trajectory. Drones have emerged as transformative tools with applications spanning both military and civilian sectors. This innovation has transcended boundaries, revolutionizing various industries, and reshaping their futures. The versatility of drones has enabled efficiency enhancements, risk reduction, and expanded capabilities across sectors. The IAF, with its extensive experience in deploying remotely piloted aircraft for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations, recognizes the growing significance of drones. This is evident in initiatives like the Mehr Baba Swarm Drone Competition, which showcased the IAF's confidence in India's drone capabilities. The Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 event serves as a strategic move to further leverage this expertise. India's aspirations for a drone hub. As of September 2023, India is poised to become a global drone hub by 2030, as outlined in the 2021 drone policy. The sector has experienced substantial growth, but it faces challenges, including India's reliance on imports for semiconductor chips, a critical component of drone technology. This dependence on imports may hinder the industry's growth. The journey of drone technology in India dates back to 2007, but it wasn't until 2017-18 that the realization of its pivotal role in diverse fields, from defense to property mapping, truly emerged. The August 2021 drone policy was a turning point, offering relaxations and creating an environment conducive to the growth of drone technology. According to projections, annual sales and turnover of companies manufacturing drones are expected to experience a significant surge, increasing from 60 crore rupees in 2020-21 to over 900 crore rupees in 2023-24. This remarkable growth underscores the potential of the drone industry in India and aligns with the government's vision to promote indigenous innovation. In conclusion, the Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 event at the Hindan IAF base stands as a testament to India's evolving drone industry. It showcased the nation's achievements in drone technology and its vast potential across various sectors. With strong government support, growing startup participation, and increasing public and private investments, India is well on its way to becoming a global leader in the drone industry by 2030. The adaptability and versatility of drone technology continue to astound, promising transformative impacts on numerous industries. These flying marvels are not just about impressive aerial displays but are indeed the wings of progress, enabling us to soar to new heights of productivity, safety, and innovation. As India charts its course in the ever-evolving drone landscape, Bharat Drone Shakti 2023 has marked a significant milestone in this exciting journey towards a drone-powered future. My friend, if you have found any value in this video, then kindly click on like button as an encouragement to create better quality content. Please share this video amongst your family members, friends, and in your social media networks so that this information might benefit others. Don't forget to subscribe to SciTech Buzz 1 channel so that you will not miss out on any of our forthcoming videos. Thank you.